To change the alarm ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 is simple. You're going to start by navigating to the alarm app on your watch itself, and then select the alarm that you want to change the ringtone for. From here, you're then just going to go ahead and confirm that the time is okay. Then you want to scroll down under the Customize Alarm section, and you want to look for the option Alarm Sound and select it. From here, you can now choose to either disable the alarm sound or keep it on. And then you can choose between the different sound options that are available for you. So you have Blossom, you have Double Triangle, and you have all sorts of options that are currently available for you to go ahead and select. When you've selected it, just go back and ensure that you select the option Save. This is so that the new alarm sound that you've chosen will be successfully applied to the alarm itself. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.